What's good? It's your boy Jerome, aka J Got Body, here with free fitness tips to help you reach your fitness goals. Now in this video, I want to talk about a herb called milk thistle, how you can use it for weight loss, and some of the other benefits. Alright, let's get into the video. So milk thistle, what it does is, it's a whole bevy of different things milk thistle does. It helps with supporting your liver. Alright, that's number one. Okay, so your liver is actually responsible for literally detoxifying your whole body, getting rid of waste, heavy metals, all the gunk that's inside of your body. Your liver is responsible for all that. So if your liver, and by the way, your liver is one of the organs that can regenerate 100%. So you want to make sure you're supporting your liver, and milk thistle is one of, if not the best herb you can take to support your liver. And when you have a healthy liver, your body can detoxify. So it's correlated with weight loss, because if your body can't get rid of the waste, then you're not going to lose any weight, right? You'll actually probably get sick because you're not able to get rid of everything that's inside of you that needs to be rid of, right? You could actually create a fatty liver because of the reabsorption of fat that got broken down. All right. The next thing is it helps with insulin resistance. Okay. Now, insulin resistance usually comes because there's too much fat in the liver. There's too much buildup. So your metabolism is slow. That's why I always explain to people that when you have insulin resistance, that is why you have a slow metabolism, because your liver is what's responsible for the detoxification. The faster your liver can get rid of all the excess, the better your metabolism is, the better your body composition is going to be. So if we start taking milk thistle, strengthening your liver, we get rid of insulin resistance. All right. Third thing is it reduces cholesterol. All right. Now, I've actually had a client of mine recently. She just totally stopped taking her metformin. She was a type 2 diabetic, hasn't been taking it. She got a word from her doctor saying that her sugar levels were normal. They were good, but her cholesterol increased. Okay. It's like one problem gone, another problem arised. But it wasn't really a problem, because what I explained was when you're losing fat, what ends up happening is you're breaking down triglycerides, which you can use as energy, and you're breaking down cholesterol, which you can't immediately use as energy, but it gets detoxified. All right, so by taking milk thistle, you speed up the detoxification process. So you notice all of these things are similar. You're literally knocking down three birds with one stone, right? And that stone is milk thistle. So you reduce your cholesterol. Fourth thing is you boost your immune system. All right. Again, the liver. Like I just get so excited talking about the liver. I don't know, because maybe it's because I know it's that one organ that literally does so much, and it's so, I feel like, undervalued. We don't really talk much about it, but it's super important. Now, times like this in the COVID era, we want to boost our immune system. And again, if your liver is backed up, if it can't keep up with the supply and the demand, dealing with everything, you're not going to have a strong immune system. So milk thistle is going to help boost immunity. The last thing is it's going to help with skin health. Okay? So when you take milk thistle, oh man, I feel like, you know what? I should just change this to what can the liver do for you when it's healthy? All right? So when your liver is healthy, you're going to have good skin. All right, because again, your liver is detoxifying. If it's backed up, right? If you're drinking a lot of alcohol, if you're partying, smoking, stress, because keep in mind, your liver also holds on to stress as well, because thoughts do become internal things within your body. They become holding patterns, and that's another video. But when you take milk thistle, again, you're improving the detoxification system, which will obviously lead to more radiant skin. You could put away the Aveeno, you could put away the cocoa butter, all that stuff. Just take milk thistle, all right? Now, if you like this video, please drop a like, leave a comment below, and subscribe so we can spread the message of good health and fitness, all right? Peace.